So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find houses with pools here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, how about I go ahead and select a location that is pretty warm? So let's go with San Diego. San Diego as an example. I'm sure there's lots of listings in this area that have pools. Now, if you want to make sure that the house you're looking at specifically does have a pool, go to the top area to where it says filters right here. Then just scroll down a little bit to where it says home features. Now, make sure that where it says pool type right here, there is a private pool selected. So if you go ahead and press on private pool right here, you can go ahead and see homes. Now what you're going to be viewing is a bunch of different listings in regards to houses that have pools in its yard. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find houses with pools here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.